testing out the camera. See if I can use it for YouTube, because my video camera, when I go out, it's kind of like weird, you know, to like go out and have this big old video camera with me. It's not that big, but it's big enough. It's snowing outside right now. There's a blizzard! Ah! There's a blizzard. Yes, there is. And there are actually people out, and the bus is running, which is pretty cool. But yeah. So this is how it is outside, and I'm under the weather. I didn't go to work today because there's no work. There's no school. So schools in New York City were closed. Shock. Totally shocked. Because Bloomberg never likes to do that. Closing schools. Yeah. So this is it. Oh, look at my little Hello Kitty on my window. I know, I'm a geek. It's like paint that I got on the thing on my window. Okay. So just testing out this camera. Bye.